अरे जाने तो दो गरीब को।
ठीक जाने तो
So now I entered. What do you think you will do? Yeah, this is Air India. You will do this. Luckily, I'm not selected in Air India. I don't like to do it. So what we usually, sir, good morning. आपको कुछ भी, if you feel like, you appreciate them if you have a time.
Yes.
You are not there to lift their bag. You are not a loader. Okay, loader have your.
नमस्कार एफएल
नमस्कार FL प्लानिंग ग्रुप FL.
एफएल
ओके नमस्कार प्लानिंग ग्रुप उड़ान FL 335 पर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। ये उड़ान
नमस्कार फ्लेमिंगो की उड़ान एफएल 3358 पर आपका स्वागत है।
aircraft. 4 overwings are the two of the aircraft.
अरे बाप रे!
बाहर जाने के लिए 2 द्वार, विमान के पीछे भाग में 4 निकास ओवरविंग भाग में और 2 द्वार आगे की ओर हैं।
वेरी नाइस।
पुरानी यादें ताजा करेंगे। जाओ यार, शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी डेडिकेशन के।
Come. Alicia, come. You will greet me.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing?
Good. Keep it aside. You come. The signing is done. We'll do the BA. मुझसे तो बोलिए। Yes.
मेरे को जाना है।
Okay, now stand and show. हाँ, you will show the grooming. आप भी बताओ. हाँ, you will show. Yeah. ओपन करो उसको थोड़ा सा. इसमें done. You will show this. Okay, ऐसा बताओ उनको. हाँ, आप खाली identity कार्ड. Okay, done. Sit. Very nice.
Good morning everyone. My name is Suhani Pandey and I am from Serenjas. Good morning everyone. Myself Suhani Pandey and I am in-flight manager from last 10 years.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ankita Prajapati. I have worked as a cabin crew for last 7 years.
Very.
This is Riya Raj.
अरे बाप रे!
Good morning. This is Riya Manve. I am cabin crew for 2
years.
years.
Good morning everyone. I am Alisha Chaudhary and this is my first flight.
So we are doing Bombay Delhi, Delhi Bombay for 2 hours.
Yes.
I am L1, R1, R4,
L4.
L4.
Very nice.
How many oxygen bottles do we have?
6 oxygen bottles.
What is the medicine of headache? Calpol.
So what is the latest circular?
141. We cannot click the photo in the aircraft.
The aircraft is coming in 5 minutes.
Okay, get up. Okay, take the bag, anyone. Okay, then you proceed this side. Okay. You two go in the aft. अरे जाने तो दो गरीब को.
ठीक जाने तो मुझे
Let the garib goes. Okay. Do the acting as if. Okay, very nice. Very nice. That. You do the acting of checking this. You know? Keep it. People are. You come and do the L1 PA check. You will show the thumbs up and she'll say.
L1 PA check.
Okay. Good. Now stop.
Cabin crew emergency check.
Got it? Pre-flight check. The pre-flight check is done. Now you will check कि cleaning बराबर है कि नहीं. Okay? So now you will just do the acting as if everything is proper. You both. You also go from here. Okay? You will go from here. You will just do the check. Everything is proper. Go. Okay? Done? Everything is done. Okay? Now come back. Go on respected base. Okay? Over there. You cannot kiss each other. Come on this side. Come. Got it? Now what do you think is we are ready for? Boarding. So we are ready for the boarding. We will just ask the ground staff to start the boarding.
Yes.
Got it? So you will show the thumbs up to the ground staff or whatever it is, whatever the connection you have with the ground staff, you show. Then the boarding will start.
Okay.
Got it? You as an R1, you will stand on this row. Come over here. अंदर घुस के ऐसा गरीब जैसा हमें खड़े होना होता है. Exactly. Very difficult to stand. Very difficult. You will stand on this corner. अंदर उसके पीछे. Yes, exactly. You will set the galley. Okay? You will set the galley over there. And galley हो गई or whatever it is. You as an IFM, you will stand over here. Welcoming. यहीं पे खड़े रहोगे आप. For example, this is your door. Usually we use this door. तो यहाँ से boarding होगी. You will stand on this side. Stand over here. Follow. You can come. Yes, you will do. You can enter. Okay? Imagine I'm a passenger. Give me the badge. कि complain कर सकता है. और if I'm not well dressed, तो ऐसा जज मत करो. Okay, we have to respect everyone the same, but the more they are dressed, the more we are scared.
Yes.
Okay, but please सबको अच्छा करना है. Okay, so now I entered. What do you think you will do? Yeah, this is Air India. You will do this. Luckily, I'm not selected in Air India. I don't like to do this. So what we usually do, we come. When we come, we say, hello sir, good morning. आपको कुछ भी, if you feel like, you appreciate them if you have a time. Okay? For example, nice tie sir. नहीं अच्छी लग रही, बंदर दिख रहा है, I don't care. Okay? What this will help you in future. आपकी सर्विस में कुछ issues होता है, they will see that this girl has appreciated me for some reason. Got it? So make sure you make them feel good. They are the reason you people are here.
Yes.
वो फ्लाई नहीं करेंगे तो हमें पैसा नहीं आएगा. ओके सो और यहाँ पर अगेन इतना वेट करेंगे कस्टमर चलेंगे.
Good morning, sir. Namaste.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग. टर्न योर कैमरा. ओके यू विल आल्सो डू दैट. गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Beautiful guys.
Like a handsome. I am like a handsome. Very nice. So now, what I will do, I will open this. I as a passenger will keep this. But if this is full, you will make sure it is empty.
Yes.
You are not there to lift their bag. You are not a loader. Okay, loader have their own job, own respectable job they have. But if anything like that, but if you feel like your mother, like someone is like your mother, your grandfather or some, they need assistance, you do assist them. Okay, but not for everyone. If you look, I'm fit enough. Okay, okay. If I'll say keep the bag, you cannot fight. Also, you will say that. So I would love to. I'll make a space for you. You will say some other thing. You cannot be rude with them. Okay. So the moment you came over here, I will say, Riya, keep the bag. Because I'll see the badge. You will say, sir, I would love to make the space for you. So you will do the acting of making a space. अगर वो सच में उनके हाथ में लगा है, हो सकता है, sometime it happens, very fit guy, muscular guy, whatever, he'll request you, but that person has to be like that. That I have a shoulder injury, will you please assist me? हो सकता है उसके shoulder injury हो सकता है. So what he will do, he will lift with one hand, आप उसको assist करोगे, hold करो, है ना? What he will do? You will do the assistance. हमेशा जज मत करो. क्या पता उसको सही में शोल्डर पे लगाओ. गॉट इट? नाउ द बोर्डिंग इज डन. भाई मैं आपका सॉरी. नमस्कार, फ्लामिंगो की उड़ान FL 335 पर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. ये उड़ान दिल्ली के लिए रवाना हो रही है. हम दिल्ली तक की दूरी 2 घंटे में पूरी करेंगे. इस उड़ान के मुख्य वैमानिक कप्तान whatever और एबली असिस्टेड बाय whatever है. मेरा नाम मोहसिन खान, मैं इस उड़ान के मुख्य पर्यवेक्षक हूँ. मेरे साथ आपकी सेवा में अलीशा, सुहानी, रिया और अंकिता है. So this is how you'll make the number. Just try whatever जितना स्टार्टिंग आप कर सकते हो. ओके, मार्जिन शिवा. नमस्कार, फ्लामिंगो की उड़ान FL 335 पर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. ये उड़ान दिल्ली के, इतना भी बोलोगे चलो.
नमस्कार FL.
नमस्कार FL फ्लामिंगो का FL. ओके. नमस्कार, फ्लामिंगो की उड़ान FL 335 पर आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. ये उड़ान
नमस्कार, फ्लेमिंगो की उड़ान FL 3358 पर आपका स्वागत है. ये उड़ान दिल्ली तक
के लिए
दिल्ली के लिए रवाना हो रही है. हम दिल्ली तक की दूरी 2 घंटे में पूरी करेंगे.
वेरी नाइस. ओके.
Two emergency exits are located at the right of west here. 2 द्वार विमान के पीछे भाग में, 4 निकास ओवरविंग भाग में और 2 द्वार आगे की ओर है.
अरे बाप रे.
आपातकालीन स्थिति में बाहर जाने के लिए 2 द्वार, विमान के पीछे भाग में 4 निकास ओवरविंग भाग में और 2 द्वार आगे की ओर है.
वेरी नाइस. वेरी नाइस.
यस सर.
अब उसके आगे का छोड़ो. वो इन फ्लाइट का है कि ट्राई करना है वो.